Going on, Tony Ronys. Tony Ronys. Today I'm gonna be making some meatball subs. Oh gosh, that's gonna be so good, man. Look, if y'all gonna duplicate what I'm cooking tonight, this is what I am using. As y'all can see, exactly what I'm using, and I also got some minced garlic here. Fresh minced garlic. Okay, we like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's get to cooking. It up. We're gonna go ahead and throw this minced garlic that we got minced up in there. All right, I got something done. We're just gonna throw it in there with that garlic. Yes, garlic. Okay. Damn. These meatballs are gonna be good. Look at all these. I got plenty more to go, guys. Look at all these meatballs. This is gonna be the best meatball subs they ever had in their life. All right, and y'all know the ground beef makes its own juice and all that stuff, so I'm just gonna continue rolling these bad boys up and slow cooking them for about until when ground beef is done. So yeah. All right, I got all the oh my gosh, I can't talk. I got all the meatballs done. I got all the meatballs done. Don't laugh at me. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your lid on and let those bad boys cook. All right, now that they've been cooking for a while, they good to flip now, guys. I tried to do it a little too early, but as y'all can see, it's a lot better. Flipping. These bad boys are almost done. You don't want to cook them to the guard. You want to cook them till they like 95 to like 99% done, but you still want to add your sauce. And you still want to cook them in that sauce, so you don't want to overcook your meatballs. All right, y'all, the meatballs are done. We're going to go ahead and drain these bad boys. Again. All right, I got some roasted garlic sauce. I never tried this before. Actually, it's kind of good. We're just gonna go ahead and add the sauce to the meatballs, okay? Voila! Let those meatballs cook in this sauce. That sauce smells really good. We should start getting that sauce. I'm trying to tell you, smell it?
Yeah, I smell it.
That smells good, bro. Get all your meatballs all nice and coated. And we're just going to let that sit for about 6 minutes on low. Let that heat up. Voila, because y'all doing black toast sometimes. And I'm going to throw this bad boy in the oven for about
2 minutes.
2 minutes on broil. Alright guys, that's what it looked like toasted. Oh God, look at them meatball subs. Them bad boy is cooking. Alright, that's the end of the video. I had like 8 seconds to spare. Thanks for watching, everybody else. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.